So hello everyone, this is Amit and you are watching Study with Amit. So today I am here with the topic under this ICC Java class 10. Today I am here with the topic string manipulation. String manipulation. So today we will know about few character functions and few programs which are important in this string manipulation topic. So let's start. Before starting this video, I have a request. Please watch our full video to get full knowledge. So let's start. Character functions. We have few character functions. First, character dot isLetter. Second, is digit. Or letter or digit. Fourth, is white space. Fifth, sixth, copy down till 6. After this, I will tell you about the functions of these programs. So, character dot isLetter checks these all functions are there in character, means it checks single value inside. If we say A, 1, B, we can take any example Z inside single variable. This is one character which it will check. Character dot isLetter. Character dot isLetter. It checks that if we put here A, then it will return true value. It checks whether it is a letter or not. Character dot is digit. We will enter here 1, then it will show true because here the function is character function is digit. Character dot is letter or digit means it checks if it is letter or it is digit. If there will be some special symbol or symbol of dollar, then it will return false. Character dot is white space. White space means space. If we enter here space, blank space, then this will be correct. Character dot is lowercase. Small a true and capital A false. This uppercase capital Z true and small z false. So this you all have understood about this. This is letter digit, is letter or digit, white space, lowercase and uppercase. In this what we have to keep in mind that these are capital. Is small. After this the starting word of each letter is capital. So is after is W capital of white and space capital S capital of space, L capital, C capital, U capital, C capital, and this is the small. So this we have to remember. We have here a question. Write a program to take an input and check whether it is letter, digit, space, or any special character. So we have to keep in mind these four: space, letter, digit, space, and special character. So we'll write program, write import java.util asterisk class public static void main string args argument system.in. After this, what we'll write, we'll take an input please give your input. It asks from user, so user will give, we'll write a char ch is equal to this open and close bracket, after that one dot, and after this char at 0. So here the character will be entered by the user. In ch we have the user input. So after this, what we'll write, if ch, we'll write here character dot is letter ch alphabet, character dot is digit is equal to true, digit ch, then sopln digit, else if is white space ch, yes, else special character, and we'll close this. So this is the program. So now we'll understand that how it is working. So here there is one question, that here I have written equal to true, and here I have not written. So why? So I tell that this character dot is letter returns boolean value. So it will return true or false. So if character dot is letter, if it is letter, then it will return true, and if it will return true, then in if condition, if the condition is true, then it goes inside it. so it will print alphabet. Here what we have done, here we have written character dot is digit ch is equal to true, means if it is true, if this is true, here we can see true, then equal to it is true, then it prints digit. Else if character dot is white space, is it space ch, so it will print space. Or else what it will print, it will print special character, because other than this alphabet, digit and space in keyboard we have special characters only. So copy down this. So today we have done few character functions and program, this program in Java of string manipulation. So watch our videos. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends. Here in this channel you will find the videos of string manipulation and other topics in Java. So do watch that. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.